Hello, sir. My name is Yash Gupta. So here I am giving introduction on behalf of my group number 6. So here we are developing a food delivery web app where you can order food items. So why are we building food ordering application? We are building ordering application because nowadays food ordering is a very common. Everybody wants to order food from their home. They don't want to travel to the restaurant and all that, saving time. So this is the motive of our project. So now my friend Pawan will give you a complete walkthrough of our project.
Hello, sir. My name is Pawan Kumar Jaiswal. Now I am going to elaborate our project in detail. So we have created two folders. One is client and one is server. In client folder, we have the React project structure, and in server folder, we have the backend structure. This is our homepage of the website. Let's go to the sign up page. User can sign up from here in the website. This is our sign in page. User can sign in website. Let's sign in there. From the home page, user can navigate to their favorite categories. Like in the South Indian food category, there are so many products listed here. User can navigate to their different categories from this sidebar. Like Chinese, he can navigate. User can also add their products into the cart from this button. As you can see, there are few products added in the cart before, and crispy veg is also added now in the my cart section. As of now, the total items GST, these values are hard coded in the box. In the later section, we will try to make them dynamic according to the bill. Now we will try to search a product from the search bar. Here user can type the name of his favorite dish and he can search the product. As you can see, the Upma is searched and the product card is shown here. Now for the information of our developer stream, we can go to the Meet Developers page. Here we will get the information of our team. Our website has two models like normal user and the admin. Now we have logged in as an admin, so we can see the admin dashboard from here. This admin dashboard contains the create category, update category, and delete category forms, and also the create product, update product, and delete product forms. This admin dashboard can only be viewed by admin who has the authority. After sign in, there will be a sign out button from where we can sign out the user. Now let's try a normal user from login here. As you can see, we are logged in as a normal user and we are now seeing the normal dashboard. Now I will give you walkthrough from our code part. App.js is the root file of our project. It contains the user routes and admin routes. These routes are defined in the routes folder in the respective files. For the admin routes, we have implemented a function where we can authenticate that the particular user is admin or not. In the components folder, we have different components like navbar, footer, product card, and cart items. These components are used in the layouts so we can make a full page of the website like home page, menu page, sign in and sign up pages. Now each of us will elaborate their respective parts in the website.
So hello, sir. My name is Yash Gupta. So I created this menu page. It also has a sidebar where you can browse different categories. Like if you want to visit South Indian, you can visit South Indian category. If you want to visit Chinese, then you can visit Chinese. And if you want to add any item to the cart, then you can just simply click add to cart button. Yes, and you will go to the cart page. So this add to cart button implementation is also done by me. I also created the sidebar in our admin dashboard. This sidebar is also created by me. So this is my front end part. In my back end part, I implemented CAD operations on product, like creating a product, updating a product, or deleting any product. So these implementations are done by me. Now my friend Laurel will go through from his side of code.
Okay, myself Laurel Verma, and in this project, I have created this homepage. Different components in this homepage. First is the banner section, where there is this, which is all are totally responsive. In banner section, we have some information about our website, and second is this carousel section, which contains all the offers, up to date offers from the backend. Also, I have created this food categories section with different categories as per your choice, and you can redirect through these links. It also has animation. In the backend part, I have done CRUD operation on the category part, like adding, deleting, and updating the category part. Now Pawan will tell his part.
In the front end part, I have implemented the search functionality in our website. In the search bar, user can search the product he want. Also, in the menu section, I have implemented the pagination for our website. If we click on the next button, it will go to the second page and it will show the products on the second page. For the icons, I have used the Font Awesome CDN link in this nav bar and also the footer. In the backend part, I have created the user model and also did the user authentication part. I have taken care of the admin part also based on the role the user has. We have implemented the JWT authentication for this.
Myself Bhaskar. I have contributed in the HTML part of the navbar and the CSS part of the footer, and I also contributed in selecting the images for the food category, and I helped Pawan in picking the related icons.
Hello, myself Rishabh Jha. I have made this add category form which admin can use it to add a new category like pizza or burger to the category list. I have also made update category form which can be used to update the details of existing categories. Lastly, I have also made add product form which can use it to add a sub category or a product like cheese pizza or veg pizza or non-veg pizza under the category of pizza, and I have also assisted in finding themes and images for the site. Thank you.
My name is Vishwesh Dhoble, sir. I have contributed in the front end part in creating sign in and sign up page, as well as I have provided with the database, which I have done image selection and menu categorization. That's on my part, sir.